What is the subdivision of a stepper motor? How does it relate to the pulse of the driver? The step angle of a 2-phase stepper motor is 1.8 degrees. The step angle of a 3-phase stepper motor is 1.2 degrees. The step angle of a 5-phase stepper motor is 0.72 degrees when a 2-phase stepper motor works in a full step state without subdivision. It takes 200 pulses to make one rotation when it works in a 10 subdivision state. It takes 2000 pulses to make one rotation. That is to say, the larger the subdivision, the smaller the step angle, and the more pulses are needed to make one rotation.
Our company is a professional motor driver and other accessories factory with more than 200 models to choose from to meet different projects. To learn more, please visit our Alibaba store.